Have you ever wished you had an extra pair of hands to manage your social media presence? Or wonder how businesses with hundreds of thousands of followers seem to keep their content pumping out 24/7? The secret lies in harnessing the power of AI. And today we're going to show you exactly how to use AI to schedule, write, and design your social media content like a pro. Let's start with scheduling, which is where AI can save you the most time. I'm using Hootsuite, a popular social media management tool that integrates seamlessly with AI-powered scheduling features. First, log into your Hootsuite account and click on the Compose button to create a new post. Next, click on the Schedule button and select Schedule with AI. This will give you access to Hootsuite's AI-powered scheduling feature. As you can see, Hootsuite's AI suggests the optimal posting time based on your audience's engagement patterns, taking into account factors like time zones, day of the week, and even the type of content you're posting. For example, if I'm posting a video,